Welcome to the InSight VIA demonstration video brought to you by Woodley Equipment Company. The InSight VIA is an immunofluorescence veterinary system that gives fully quantitative, accurate results from canine or feline serum or plasma. The InSight VIA tests 11 canine and feline parameters with more parameters in development for quick diagnosis. For accurate results, samples should be centrifuged within 2 hours of blood collection, and the serum or plasma from a lithium heparin tube should be separated. If the sample cannot be tested within 2 hours, the serum or plasma can be stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius for up to 48 hours, or at minus 20 degrees Celsius for longer storage. Please refer to each parameter's test kit insert for detailed information on sample type before testing. InSight VIA tests can be stored at room temperature. To run a test, insert the ID code chip into ID chip port on the side of the analyzer. This needs to be done with the start of each new box of tests. Select Read ID card on the analyzer. The ID chip can be removed after it is accepted. Ensure Standard Test is selected on the test screen. Enter the patient sample number and select Detail to enter patient's name and age. Carefully open the foil pack and place the test cartridge on a level surface. Check the quick user guide or kit insert for correct volume of sample to use. Depending on test, use the 10 microliter or 75 microliter pipette to take up the serum or plasma sample. Attach a new pipette tip to the pipette. Push down the plunger before placing the pipette tip into the sample. When the pipette tip is in the sample, release the plunger to take up the correct amount of sample. Avoid getting any air bubbles in the pipette tip. Add the sample to the diluent tube supplied in the test kit. Use the pipette to mix the sample by pushing the plunger up and down. Use the 75 microliter pipette to take up the mixed sample into the pipette tip. Apply 75 microliters of the mixed sample to the sample port on the test cartridge. Insert the test cartridge into the port on the front of the analyzer and immediately select Test to begin analysis. Analysis time will depend on the test run. Refer to the kit insert for further information. Once analysis has completed, results will automatically display on screen and be printed out on the built-in thermal printer. The used cartridge can be disposed of in a clinical waste bin. To view previous results, select Menu at the bottom of the screen, then Record. Use the To and From date to filter results by date. Press OK to filter. Select Test and press Detail to view the result. Use the options on the right of the screen to print the result on the built-in thermal printer. Export the result to a USB or upload the result to a computer. To run a QC, insert the QC code chip into the ID chip port on the side of the analyzer and select Read ID card on the test screen interface. Press OK to confirm the QC code. Select Menu, then QC. Carefully open a foil pouch and remove the QC cartridge. Check the level of QC being tested, low, mid-level or high, as printed on the foil pouch. Insert the QC cartridge, select Analyze. After analysis, the QC result will be displayed on the screen. Check that the result falls within the reference range shown in the QC kit insert. The QC cartridge is dispensed on the side of the analyzer. Opened cartridges can be used as often as needed 2 weeks after opening the pouch. Place the QC cartridge in the foil pouch for storage. Thank you for watching the InSight VIA demonstration video, part of the InSight Lab system.